Hello, welcome to my 13th project recording of my virtual internship at Quantum Analytics, June 2022 cohort. So this data set is from an e-commerce company in Brazil, popularly known as Olist, our own kind of, Jumia and Konga. So this data set has actually been given to us from Quantum Analytics. So in this data set, we had lots of tables, which included products, data. Let me see, let's go here. Okay, they had the location, order items, order payments, reviews, the other data sets, product, sellers, and product category. So this was basically like everything that made the transactions happen. So this was actually the data set. So what I have done is I've summarized and visualized this data in how it makes sense to me. So we could get from the data set that we had 199,000 customers in total. 104 orders were generated. The revenue was 1359. Cost of sales, basically on freight, was 2.25 million from this 13.59, and 96,000 orders were delivered out of the orders generated. So basically, I did a map to show which locations have as in revenue per state. So we have here, yes, in this particular state, the revenue was 100 and this, okay. Basically, each of the states have this bubble where I'll be able to know who did what. Okay, so now if I click on, so we actually had four types of payments, credit card, boleto, voucher, and debit card. Majority of the sales came from credit cards, and there's actually pattern data where I could still drill into data, which products were used for installations. But just to keep it simple, I just stepped at credit card. I have revenue per year. I see 2016 was totally flat. 2017, 7.1 million. Then here was 8.9 million. So if I should now go on to say these were the top orders, these were the top orders that were generated. So if I click here, that's what happened. So let's go back here. Okay. So now if I say, okay, I'd like to see what happened in 2017. In 2017, we had 88,000 customers who bought, and these were the cost of the sales. This was revenue generated. These were the orders, and this generated, and this was delivered orders. This was how payment was made, and these were the states where the sales were done. If I should do revenue by 2018, it also gives me a visualization. These were the top two orders that came in from this revenue. These were the top two orders. The data set is very robust. We could still drill down to product category and all that. But just to keep it simple for this analysis, this is what I've done. So thank you very much. It's been a very interesting journey in quantum analytics, and this is a very strong foundation for me to further harness my skills. Thank you.